How many God-given dreams have you and I left unrealized because fear placed us in a prison that we could not escape from? What's your lo and behold moment that fear is right there, but you're paralyzed because you're afraid of your fear more than you love the glory of God? Some of you, you're coasting through life and not really challenging yourself because you're afraid to fail. Attack your fear by trusting Christ. God doesn't want us to be paralyzed by fear. He wants that fear to move us to press into Him so that He can fight our battles for His glory.